We go to other news now. The police are reporting that 5 men they fatally shot in an operation in Bedwood Gardens, St. Andrew this morning were all wanted for different crimes. They say the men were planning attacks against residents of Augustown, but the Bedwood Garden residents say otherwise.
The security forces went into the hills of Bedwood Gardens, St. Andrew, before daybreak this morning in what they described as a targeted operation for the Berry Gang. During the operation, the police say 5 men engaged them in a gunfight and were shot and subsequently died. A soldier was injured in the process. The police say Speng or Colin Mignus, the leader of the gang, is among the 5 killed.
We also have among the persons identified O'Neill Dixon, O.C. Dede, he's 24. We have Jelani Palmer, he's 22. Tafari Dell, O.C. Johnny, 22. Akeem McLean, O.C. Tillo, and he's age 20.
The police say they seized 7 guns from the crime scene,
ranging from high-powered weapons, submachine guns and pistols, a number of assorted ammunition, and they also found a number of cell phones. They also found a location that they believe is to be one of the operating base that they operate from.
The police say in recent times the gang members have been provoking residents of the neighboring Augustown community. Senior Superintendent and Commander of the St. Andrew Central Police Division, Marlon Nesbitt, said on Sunday the police managed to foil one of the gang's planned attack.
That's what happened on Sunday night, because the intent that they had was to come across into Augustown in particular spaces that their rival gang members are to carry out reprisals and other acts of criminality. So we had to be very steadfast in preserving that and creating that type of buffer.
The residents in the area are most displeased with the conduct of the police and soldiers on their operation this morning. Corinne Williams, mother of Akeem McLean, one of the men killed, says the security forces acted unprofessionally.
They said all of those who killed were gangsters and were wanted.
No.
Me don't know of that, sir.
Man, I never wanted. When people wanted,
I don't know of that if nobody at all wanted. Me don't know if nobody did wanted. Me don't know of that because my son wasn't a wanted man.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.